Dialogue 1. What do you do? Hello, Mary.
Hi, Max. How's it going?
Pretty good. How about you?
Busy. I've been working a lot these days.
What do you do?
I'm a nurse.
That's interesting. Where do you work?
I work at the city hospital.
Do you like your job?
I love it. What do you do?
Not much these days. I'm looking for a job.
What kind of job are you looking for?
I would like to work as a computer programmer.
Well, good luck.
Dialogue 2. What are you doing? Hi Lena, what are you doing?
I'm sending an email to a friend.
Do you use email often?
Every day. How about you?
Me, too. I also surfed the net for news and sports.
The internet is great, isn't it?
It sure is. Hey, Lena, would you do me a favor? I want to check my email, too.
No problem. I'll be finished in about 5 minutes.
Thanks. Dialogue 3. Do you think it will rain today?
Good morning.
Good morning to you, too. Do you think it will rain today?
Yeah, maybe. It's hard to tell.
I hope not. I am going to the beach this afternoon.
Maybe you should check the weather forecast first.
Good idea. I think I will.
Well, I hope you have a good afternoon.
You too, Jack.
Do you think it will rain today? Do you think it will rain tomorrow? Do you think it will rain tonight? Do you think it will rain this afternoon?
I hope you liked this conversation. If you could improve your English a little more, please subscribe to the channel and share this video with a friend. Thank you very much for your support. Take care.